If you ever wonder where to retire or where to raise your kids, or you're looking for that perfect place that includes a water park, let me show you Avalon Park by Pulte Homes here in Ave Maria, Florida. So what's up, guys? My name is Fabio.alvarez, your favorite real estate agent here in South Florida. Today we're gonna take a look at the Roseland Model here in by Pulte Homes here in Ave Maria, Florida. Awesome floor plan. So let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, let's go. So what's up, everybody? Welcome to this beautiful home in Ave Maria, Florida, Roseland by Pulte Homes. This beautiful 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3.5 to 6 bedrooms, 3-car garage with 4,272 square feet. Okay, this is actually new construction Roseland home design. It flexes up to 6 bedrooms and 6 bedrooms with a 3-car garage. It offers an open concept home design with plenty of room to create a space you love. The wine cave, flex room, and game room are some of the many stand-over features. Definitely one of the best floor plans that we have in Pulte Homes. Beautiful, comfortable, really spacious for your big family. It has a really beautiful en-suite bathroom for that big family. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys like the community. Avalon Park is an awesome community to live in. Remember this for your kids and family. If you guys have more questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Subscribe, like, hit the like button, guys. Comment on this comment section down below. So please don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you guys in the next video, okay?